So basically, I'm here to hi guys. This is me, Jayleen, and basically, what I'm doing is I'm tangling my hair after I came out the shower, cause that's what you do. So I came out the shower and then I started untangling it, and that's what you're gonna see. So the next clip is gonna be music in the background, whatever. Just wait and see. Transitioning to this morning, in the morning, today morning. So basically, just transitioning to today's morning, and basically, what I'm gonna do is I grab the flat iron, so I can basically flatten my hair, because I know this was that I felt like this was a good video to put, because not a lot of people have long hair. So I was like, you know what, let me flatten my hair. And just since we quarantine and we got nowhere to go, I just flatten it, because whatever. So basically, you see me sectioning my hair. And first of all, I put this on the highest heat there is, because basically my hair, it does it can get a lot of heat. But I did this because basically I want my hair to be flat. So then I combed it, and then I put my thing at, I think, 450 degrees, and then basically I sectioned it, and then went over it. So the next clip, you're gonna see me start flattening my hair. All right, bye. And if you see, but the thing is, if you see white stuff, don't get worried, because I naturally have dry scalp. Comment down below some remedies to stop the dry scalp, because I have a really big problem with that. But as long you see, I have a lot of hair. So text me or comment down below some remedies to stop like dry scalp, basically. So bye.